This is a 1988 Carter Brothers mini monster truck. It's been completely restored from the ground up. I have pictures of it where it's just a frame. The frame itself has been professionally sandblasted and coated. It's got a Briggs & Stratton 5 horsepower motor in it. The decals is from our Relay for Life team. Temporary vinyl. It should come off with no problem. Paint's automotive grade. Do have the paint numbers should anybody want them to redo. It's got a few little nicks and knacks there just from the kids playing. A couple little spots there on the bumper. A couple little spots here on the step board. Can't really make it. One right there around the fender well, which I intended to put some black trim. It's a little bit greater, about a 1/4 inch bigger than this around the window trim that I did. Okay, had 2 little steps that we did in order to prevent the boys from getting in here firing it up on their own. I put an extra kill switch in there that's wired in different from the ignition. Flip switch on. First, this is here is a strobe light control, and this is for the siren control. Flip the switch to on. I'll label these for you if you wish. A little set to high idle. Switches here. Reactivate the overhead light. Running light. Can't really see it too good in the daytime. And then the tail light. I can't remember if these are on a flash or not. One's not working right now. Look into that. Inside needs to get armor on it. This is the siren control. Good for parades. We'll try to get a video of my youngest driving it here in just a minute. And then to kill it, switch off, kill switch down. Inside could use a little armor all.